Welcome. If you want to update the website link on your X, formerly Twitter profile using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the process is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through each step so you can showcase your latest website or project to your followers. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your profile features. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on your profile icon or your name to go directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, find the Edit Profile button near the top right of your profile header. Click on it, and you'll see several fields you can update, like your name, bio, location, and of course, your website. Next, locate the website field. Click into this area, delete the old link if there's one, and type or paste the new website URL you want to display. Make sure the link is correct so your followers can easily reach your site. After you've entered your new website, look for the Save button, usually at the top right or bottom of the Edit Profile window. Click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. Your profile now features your updated website link, making it easy for anyone visiting your X profile to check out your latest work, portfolio, or business page. Updating your website regularly keeps your followers in the loop and helps you direct traffic exactly where you want it to go. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends or colleagues who might need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed X profile.